What's going on, YouTube? You know who it is. It's your boy Shrek, and we're back with another video, guys. As I told you guys, we were gonna take a trip out to El Mirage, and we are here. Probably not gonna focus because it keeps telling me low light, but there it is. We got the Tahoe out, trailer. I'm tenting it. The Razor's back there. I have music playing, so that's why. But we're out here, guys. So beautiful out here. I haven't been out here in a couple years. It's been at least, I want to say, at least 6-7 years since I've been out here. Look at the views. The views are amazing. We have sunset back there. Can't really see it no more, but beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So like I said, we do have the setup. We are tenting it. Sorry for the shakiness. We're tenting. I'll go ahead and show you guys right now, but I'm probably gonna put music over this because like I said, I do have music playing right now. So, but I'll show you guys the setup right now. So as you guys can see, that's the setup. We do have our tent. It's a 4-person tent off of Bass Pro Shop, just a cheap one. We'll see how good it is. I do have a queen bed, an inflatable mattress, because I'm not sleeping on the floor. Razor's out here, got the whips on. I don't know if I'll show you guys some shots of it at night. We did go, already went out there and rode some trails. Put a video of that as well, probably starting before this or after this. I'm not sure how I'm gonna set it up, but there will be some trails on it. What else? I got a little heater, a little Mr. Heater or something like that. Got the grill going, got some meat, got the stove with some potatoes. It's gonna be a good time, good weekend. Just out here, it's President's Day weekend, and we're gonna try to make the best of it. So hopefully I get some good clips for you guys.
gotta feel it. You don't mean it. What you said right now. I gotta feel it. Gotta feel it. There's something about your eyes.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is now day 2. We survived the night. We did have our little heater help us out because the temperatures had dropped to like the mid 30s, high 30s, I think. One point was like 37. But we did survive the night. Next morning, we're probably leaving in a few hours, but we're gonna get a few rides still in. And yeah, see what I show you guys. Getting breakfast ready right now, and we're gonna be off. right, ladies and gentlemen, so that's gonna be it for our Mirage trip. This is set up how we take off in the trailer. We make sure everything's strapped down, pack our trash out, everything's loaded, make sure our tires have air in them, our lights are working, and that's it. Very successful Mirage trip, and we're gonna close it out right here, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned, we'll have more videos for you guys. And as always, if you're at home, enjoy time with your family. If you're on the road, be safe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.